Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to always start Google Chrome in dark mode. Right click on the Google Chrome desktop icon. Choose Properties. In the Shortcut tab, locate the target text field. Click the text field and position your cursor at the end of the path. Now press the spacebar and then type : force dark mode at the end of the path in the text box. Click Apply. You need to provide administrator access to apply the changes. Click on Continue. Click OK to close the dialog box. Now if you open Google Chrome from that shortcut, it will automatically launch in the dark mode. This is how you can always start Google Chrome in dark mode. Thank you for watching.